Hello, this is Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Today we're looking at a brand new 2019 Forest River Cherokee limited edition 274RK. Rear kitchen model with a single slide out. All four corner stabilizer jacks. Has a dry weight of 6,494 pounds. It does have an outside shower. The 274RK is equipped with a black tank flush, easy access black and sewer and gray tanks. As we enter into the back area, it's a 30 amp service. You do have a large travel rack on the back bumper for storage that drops down. It's prepped for a backup camera. The 274RK Cherokee. It's got mid-entry 3 aluminum steps. Fold up into the camper for a nice clean look. A large assist handle. Does have large windows. Hook up for an outside TV. You do have an outside kitchen with a small refrigerator, 2-burner cooktop, an outside shower, and an ice maker. Full-length power awning with outside speakers. Large front storage area. As we enter into the Cherokee 274RK, you'll see the Sedona decor, jackknife sofa, does have cup holders in the middle that drop down. Booth dinette drops down for sleeping area. Large pantry in the back of the kitchen. Good amount of storage. Full-length drawers that fold out. You do have a large stainless sink. The flush mount cover. Microwave. You do have a ducted AC. Nice Thomas Paine reclining chairs. Does come with a 30-inch fireplace. Puts off electric heat. Your spot for a TV. Your side hallway. You have 2 access points. Glass enclosed shower with the overhead skylight. The nice fantastic fan. Can pass through the bathroom that has a pocket door. Queen walk around bed. Does have USB plugs, electrical receptacles on both sides. Storage under the bed held up by gas shocks. This brand new 2019 Forest River Cherokee 274RK with a dry weight of 6,494 pounds is located in Yorktown, Virginia at Dodd RV. Please give me, Scott Hudgins, a call today, 757-833-3633. Thank you. Have a good day.